Ready na po yung bride.
Good morning. Isaac Mayer. Now stopping for breakfast.
Ay, wow. Okay na yan, sis. Sis. Baba ng chair namin.
And this is what? This is taka.
Tastes like tinola. Of course, in Bon Matot, we get coffee. Thank you.
It's not bad. You'll be like,
Or sleeping.
Sinisisi ako ni Bridey na ako daw may gawa ng mancha sa damit niya. Buti na lang may video ako.
It will bother me.
Bakit daw maraming butterflies here, sis? Like, grabe. Daig pa nila yung mga mosquito. The French. Tamo, may French talaga siya sinasabi.
They call the French chocolate.
Okay.
French chocolate.
The trees. Ikakasal ka na.
so this is the one that attracts the butterflies.
Butterfly like living in the tree with the pepper. So they can put fertilizer here.
Yeah, very.
Sure, ang gusto.
First, they get ripe again.
Oh.
Here, there is no Arabica because
Sis, bilisan mo, hindi siya nag-explain pag wala ka. Ikaw talaga number one ano niya. Wait natin si Mr. Chin kasi lagi si ate ang gusto niyang turuan ang mga bagay-bagay.
in that
Ayan.
province, farmers, they use two kind of columns. Brick post on the concrete. Flower and then keep it on the small.
Kaya pala ang daming butterfly, sis. Hinahanap ka nila. Sis. Show it to the butterflies. Para makauwi na sila, sis. Interesado ko talaga dyan, sis.
And sunshine with the blue,
Sunshine.
blue of the trees. So it's blended together. It's good.
Ang dami daw oxygen around the rubber tree.
Rich oxygen in the air.
Prenup na po. Prenup po. Madam, ang tagal na kasal mo, madam.
Hindi na pa nagsara ng pinto.
Sis, take home the oxygen.
I'll take home.
How? Explain mo bakit ka, ano?
Hindi nga ako naniwala eh. Sa GPT ko pa yun to confirm.
At the end of
Part of prenup pa rin mo to, sis. Sis, groom na lang kulang, sis. Sis, ang gaganda ng mga videos ko sa'yo. Baka naman san-san mo lang ako dalhin next time, ha? Video sa baha.
Sa Golden City.
Swimming na, sis, for the, ano, swim! Swim, swim, swim! Sama, sis?
beef. So what you guys would like?
Why are you so cute?
The first place.
Yeah.
Iba sa pag naka-video.
Hindi ko kaya kainin yan.
For the channel, for the vlog. So, ayun. Ang dami nila magulay. Hindi naman nagugulay itong mga girlie na to. Sobrang unhealthy.
Hindi naman nakakain yung muna.
Kaya nga, saan mo iyaan?
Paano pag inano mo mapait?
There's two types of girls. One na lagi nagpipigil ng ihi. At lagi kumiihi. Ay, hindi pala ito. Pagpik pa siya, may hot. Sa iyo.
Hi.
Oh, hawe. Yo,
Yeah.
Groom.
Follow.
Ask for money.
Oh. Ang sabi nung, dito daw, they follow the wife's surname when they get married. And the husbands. Also the children. And the dowry. The dowry comes from the female family. Okay, pangatawanan mo ng makultura kang tao, ah. Laban mo si Melissa. Pinapangatawanan talaga ni Siso. Ayaw niya mag-fan.
One for mother. one for every people.
Oh,
Start to mother.
Mother's Day.
And that means to say in hello mother. And the
Kala ni Brightly ganito daw mag-hello sa mother. Hello!
yeah.
Ciao! Ito yung verse na sinasabi niya sa hagdan.
May church na, kakasal na ba si Brightly?
They're under the shade.
Lot of cows, oh.
That's the lonely
If you have a big, they got a wound.
Oh,
So they take the lift.
he wants her to try na nguyain ni si Simbahon. Sa bridal car na yung the bride.
There are some
Fine?
Yes. So this is after the roasting?
Yeah.
What does it taste
Nice,
like?
right?
Yeah.
Hop. Meron ka na sis.
Còn đi cái đường mới á, về phải, đường mới đi xuống lắm. He told me that
Cocoa juice.
after
Balik na ako.
Video or photo?
Video. Video. Simon, dito na naman tayo.
Review naman tayo sa anime.
Because,
Wala lang, gusto niya lang. Okay, so we're here because I won the trip to Vietnam from the NAS Summit. And we visited a lot of cocoa plantations, and we've learned that chocolate doesn't just grow on trees. It has to be fermented and roasted, and it has to go through a lot of processes before it becomes the delicious chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
So, sinama niya kami sa kanyang mga
Business matters.
sinama niya kami.
Oo. Pero hindi kami business partners.
Ano lang kami.
Endorser.
Endorser.
Nakakagulat. Nagsalita ako ng Tagalog. Tapos sumagot siya, sis.
Tapos naintindihan niya yung sagot.
Sis, baka ulalo na lang yung tindihan niya pala to.
Feeling ko.
The dog looks so sad. Kainis! So, iniwan na nga namin to para hindi mamatay yung aircon. May isa kang kami, niligpit pa rin nila. Init! Lalabas na po yung debutant. Na si Maria. Sino kaya escort ni Maria? Tapos na yun. Tapos na nga po yung wait. Try ko. Go! Nakaasa lang kami sa pag-order. Sa British pa kami nakaasa mag-order. Ay, sa Brazil.
Yes. Nước suy. Bạc. Yeah, you have the chilies here. You can either choose to add the sauces, which will make it a little bit sweeter, which is more the like the south, or you can keep it like more pure red.
Wow. Yun. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Chen. Mayora, bumili na tayo, Mayora. Moment of truth. Tingnan natin kung marunong si ate magbayad with Vietnamese dong. Papakompute siya. Papakompute kung kasya yung pera niya.
But, parang kasha naman yung 1,065,000.
Go, sis. Sis! Sorry, sis. Gusto ko nakikita ka nagsistruggle. Charot.
Alam ko yan.
Okay. Talino yan si ate.
Susukalian niya to.
Okay. Galing ang talino. Tulog na si Brightly. Wala pa siyang na-empake. And tomorrow, babalik na kami ng biyahe to SG. Nagbaon pa kami misis ng matching sleepwear. Lagi naman kami nakahubad. Nahawa na ako sa kanya.